Oh, hey, what's up, everybody? Coming up on this next episode of Good Tech Cheap, something awesome for all you tech professionals on the go. All of us are always on the go. It's go, go, go. It's non-stop. And here's how you make it easier on yourself and make your post-production workflow or any kind of office workflow way less stressful. Here we go. Hey everybody, what's up? And welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host, Kevin. Hey, do me a little favor if you can. Like this video, subscribe to these videos, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. Today's video is sponsored by LIMINK, a company that makes awesome products, including what we're going to unbox, put together, and review for you right here in this episode. It is a dual monitor for laptops 15.6 inches and wider. What does that give you? That's a really good question. It gives you your original laptop screen and then two screens on either side that are about the same size, so you can actually work with triple screens on the go. How is it possible? It's amazing, right? The LIMINK 2023 Efficient Portable Workstation. The S20 laptop screen extender is the largest size portable triple monitor or laptop in the market, allowing you to include two 15.4-inch screens that you can clip onto your laptop, increase productivity by 300%. ABS body, 3.7 pounds, and lightweight in design, you can take it anywhere to multitask and save on working time. Plug and play, no driver required. The S20 laptop monitor extender is suitable for all 15.6 to 17.3-inch Mac and Windows and Linux and Android laptops. You get a realistic visual experience. The S20 laptop monitor extender is equipped with two 15.4-inch FHD displays with 1920 by 1080p resolution, 100% sRGB color gamut, and 16.7 million display color, and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The viewing angle is 178 degrees. The brightness is 350 nit. It supports multiple HDR modes, standard, game, movie, text, FPS, and RTS modes, just according to your usage needs. It features narrow bezel design, which not only supports you to complete more work, but also allows you to get a better viewing and gaming experience in your leisure time. There is excellence in quality. The S20 triple portable monitor bare body weight of ABS material is only 3.7 pounds, maximizing its portability properties. The appearance of the left screen supports 0 to 235 degree rotation, the right screen supports 0 to 180 degree rotation, and the viewing angle is large during use. The hinge used to connect the screen can withstand 20,000 folds without breaking. The built-in magnetic bracket on the back is longer, which can be supported with more stability. Each screen of the S20 is equipped with a menu key and brightness adjustment key, which allows you to set brightness, HDR mode, etc. After disconnecting, there is no need to reset the next time memory function. Each screen has one HDMI and two full-function USB-C ports. The S20 dual monitor USB-C port supports reverse charging of laptops using the power supply and also supports mobile phone projection. The S20 portable laptop monitor, fit for 15.6 to 17.3-inch laptops, needs you to have two full-function USB-C ports or one function USB-C port plus an HDMI port, or two HDMI ports plus two USB-A ports. Make sure your device has the required ports. To disengage our monitor, we're going to unplug the power supply. Make sure everything is kept all together. And look at this. Look how easily everything packs on. Everything disconnected from our laptop. Fold up monitor. That's it. Not only that, but when you're on the go, because this is for people who need computing power on the go, I'm going to put it in its travel case right here. Room for our cables. And our power supply. Hey, now you can edit with three monitors, quite literally, anywhere you like. Once again, more information, click on that link in the description below. All right, so I'm impressed. We tried a few different applications, including editing software where you actually saw a main screen with a timeline, a playback monitor, and a monitor with editing decisions, your EDL list, all in perfect sync, all with great color, great fidelity, 1080p resolution, and you saw how it folded right up and went in its carrying case, and it's that simple. Fantastic. Really like this. Thank you, LIMINK. Want to get one for yourself? I bet you do. Link in the description below. Please check it out. And that wraps it up for this video. I'd like to thank LIMINK for sponsoring it and sending us the dual monitor extender so we could unbox it, put it together, and show you how easy it is to use and what a pleasure it is to use and how well it can actually positively affect your workflow. Once again, there's that link in the description below. Go ahead and click on that. And after you do that, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Always like it when you do that. Subscribe to these videos so you know when we drop more Good Tech Cheap, and to help you know that drop date, turn on that notification bell, pretty please. Well, I've been your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. From Los Angeles, California, stay safe, be kind. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.